Hey guys, it's Maria with WTI. These shower shampoo caps have definitely been a game changer in my family. My daughter hates getting her hair washed. When the water gets in her eyes, it just makes her so upset. But this cap is perfect. The water just goes onto the cap and down the grooves. It has 4 snaps on one side and 4 snap buttons on the other side. So it makes it really easy to adjust the size. So medium size or larger size, which my daughter uses, and then super small for those small baby heads. So I really, really love that feature. It's very bendable, but yet it does not break. It is very flexible and comfortable. So if you're looking for a shower shampoo cap, I would highly recommend this product. My daughter loves it. It makes my life and hers a lot easier and less painful. I love this product, and that's my point of view.